there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Baton Ultra everyday carry flashlight from OLIGHT. Now, it's hard for me to get excited about a flashlight because I review a lot of them and after a while they all start looking the same. Not with this one. OLIGHT has got a product here that's incredibly unique when you compare it to anything else on the market. So let's start with the flashlight itself. They designed it to be small enough to easily slip into a pocket, but still powerful enough to generate 1800 lumens of light, which will cast a beam 300 meters downfield. And if that's not enough, they've designed it to be incredibly rugged. It's made out of a proprietary aluminum material called OAL, which was developed by OLIGHT, and it's 1.7 times stronger than standard aluminum, and it's almost as strong as titanium in a lot of ways, which means it's going to last you years. It's not going to get scratched up and dinged up when it's in your bag or it's in your backpack, which is pretty incredible. Now, as far as the light goes, they developed their own LED. A lot of other companies just pick an LED from another manufacturer and build it into their flashlight. Again, not OLIGHT. They developed an LED called an EIP, which stands for efficient, intense, and pure. Now, the efficiency part's important, which means you're going to generate light a lot longer on a full charge. By the way, it's got a 3,500 milliampere battery inside, which means you're going to get 6 or 7 days out of the lowest setting, and that's because of that efficiency. The intensity part means that it's going to cast that 1800 lumens 300 meters downfield. A lot of other flashlights out there can't generate that kind of light. Not that you need it all the time, and you've got 3 different adjustments on here, low, medium, and high, and turbo, which is that 1800 meters, so you've got a lot of choices when you're out in the field. That 6 or 7 days of use is on the lowest setting, but that's plenty of light if you're on a camping trip and just need to look at a map or get your sneakers on or whatever you're doing. In addition to that, the unit has a USB-C port on the back. You basically unscrew this back cap slightly, and there's a USB-C port so you can charge it off a wall charger, but they developed their own magnetic charger as well. I'm laughing because this is such a unique flashlight. Basically, it attaches to the bottom, you plug it into a standard charger, and you can charge it without opening that case, which is really nice. So for me, I leave it at home, I plug that into a charger, and then when I come home, I just put it on the base and start charging it. It's got a magnetic bottom. They've included a shelf. I mean, this is really high-end stuff. They've included a shelf that's got a sticky pad in the back. You can stick this to the wall. Flashlight sticks to the top of it, so it's always where you need it. So if you got a couple of these, maybe you put one in the kitchen, you lose the electricity to the house, you know right where the flashlight is, you can grab it and run with it. In addition to that, they've just taken so much time to design a flashlight that feels great in your hand. It's got great hand feel to it. It's got laser etched ribs on either side of it, which means you're not going to drop it easily. It's got a really heavy duty belt clip on it where I can clip it on my belt or my hat to look out in front of me. You have 2 ways to turn it on. You've got a button on the side and a button on the back. The button on the back gives you sort of the ability to turn it on if you're walking on a path. The side gives you a little bit more control, so you can turn it on, and if you hold it, it'll actually go from low, medium to high, low, medium, high, like that. If you want turbo, you tap the button twice. Now you're in turbo mode. This is so bright at 1800 lumens that you can feel the heat coming off that LED. You also have a strobe mode. If you're lost in the woods and you're trying to get somebody's attention, tap the button 3 times. It goes into strobe mode, which is kind of hard to look at, but it'll generate a lot of light and people will notice you immediately. So I review a lot of flashlights, and honestly, OLIGHT's the company that constantly amazes me with their new designs. And this Baton Ultra is the latest version of the Baton series, and I think what they've built here in a lot of ways is the perfect everyday carry flashlight. It's in my pocket when I leave the house, whenever I'm heading out on a camping trip or I'm going hiking for a little while, and it just feels really good knowing I've got plenty of light in my pocket that's going to last a long time. It's incredibly rugged, and it's just easy to use. So anyway, I hope you found this quick review helpful. I think this light is pretty fantastic, and I think you're going to like it a lot too. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.